Are you tired of trying to lose weight without success? Watch the pounds melt away with the book, The Fasting Bible, How to Lose Weight, Grow Younger, and Heal Your Body in 30 days or less. Available on Amazon from author Lynn Hardy. Fasting without proper knowledge and guidance is dangerous. Give yourself all the tools and information you need to successfully fast without struggling or harming your body. With the Fasting Bible, you'll discover the countless benefits of fasting while learning practical tips to help you get started and stick with fasting. You'll learn how to properly adjust fasting to your lifestyle so you can stay healthy and active without being hungry. If you're looking for ways to reduce chronic pain, balance your hormones, lose weight, and improve your heart and brain health, this is the fasting book you've been searching for. From author Lynn Hardy, The Fasting Bible, How to Lose Weight, Grow Younger, and Heal Your Body in 30 days or less. Available in Kindle and paperback. Order your copy right now on Amazon.